Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing a location error on YouTube TV that prevents you from streaming content, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue and verify your current location. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app or website and log in with your Google account. Make sure you are using the device and network where you want to watch YouTube TV. Step 2. Navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to the Area or Location section in Settings. YouTube TV will show your current home area and the location it has detected for your device. Step 4. If the detected location is incorrect, click Update to refresh your location. YouTube TV uses your internet connection and device location to verify where you are watching. Step 5. Enable location services on your device. For mobile devices, go to Device Settings and allow YouTube TV to access your location. For computers, enable location in your browser settings. Step 6. Ensure you are connected to your home Wi-Fi network. YouTube TV requires you to check in at your home location periodically to maintain access to local channels. Step 7. If you are traveling or away from home, YouTube TV may restrict certain local channels. You can still watch most national content, but local programming may be unavailable. Step 8. Clear your browser cache or app data if location issues persist. For browsers, clear cookies and site data. For apps, go to Device Settings and clear the YouTube TV app cache. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.